Imagine waking up just steps from the Eagle Bahn Gondola with views that frame Vail Mountain. If this sounds like your version of luxury, just wait until you see the rest of Arrabelle Penthouse 642.
In your head, let's run away from all the voices in our head. Set your sails and drift away from all the monsters under your bed. Set your let's run away from all the voices in our head. Let's run away from all the voices in our head. Set your sails and drift away from all the monsters under your bed.
Penthouse privacy, prestige, and the Arrabelle Club. This home checks all the boxes. For an exclusive look at a property that can never be built again, reach out for a private tour.